Hey everyone, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. If you love spicy food, you've come to the right place. I'm your chili head friend who loves to cook. I'm all about spicy recipes and I'm here to share that passion with you. I'll show you how you can make easy, spicy home-cooked meals that you can make in your own kitchen. I'll also show you how you can easily adapt these recipes to your own preferred heat and spice levels. Because when it comes to spicy food, it really isn't all about the heat, but it's about that big, bold flavor that I love. I'll show you how you can make all sorts of regional American recipes to spicy international cuisine, all the way to some of my own favorite special recipes. I'll also show you how you can make your own hot sauces and your own special seasoning blends so that you can use those to spice up just about anything that you want to. When it comes to spicy, I am your guy. It truly is chili pepper madness in my kitchen, starting from the crunchy, juicy bell peppers all the way up to the super hot Carolina Reapers and anything in between. So I just love it all. We post new videos every Friday, so I hope you'll subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in the kitchen and all your comments. So keep it spicy, my friends. I'll see ya.